Let's now go to inquiring. Let's discuss main disturbances of menstruation. For common symptoms specific to women, the principal symptoms specific to women are disturbances of menstruation, vaginitis, obstetric disturbances, and postpartum disturbances. Let's discuss first the main disturbances of menstruation. For early menses, 7 or more days before the expected time that are dark, red, or purple and thick, accompanied by a red tongue and a rapid pulse, indicates heat and blood. If the menses are light red in color and thin, the tongue is pale and the pulse feeble, then it indicates Qi deficiency. For late menses, 7 or more days after the expected time, there are light red, thin, and scant, accompanied by a pale complexion, a pale tongue, and a feeble and thread-like pulse, are due to blood insufficiency. If the menses are dark purple, small in amount but containing clots, and there are cold aversion with cold limbs, and a deep and tight pulse, they are due to cold congealing the blood vessels. If the menses are pale in color, and there are chest tightness, heaviness in the limbs and body, and the tongue coating is greasy, they are due to phlegm dampness. For irregular menstruation, menstruation may come irregularly, sometimes early and sometimes late. If the menses are purplish red, are scanty and contain clots, and there are distension and pain in the flanks, abdomen, chest, and breasts, and a taut pulse, they indicate that liver qi has been suppressed and has jowed. If the menses are pale red, thin but variable in quantity, and there are lumbar and knee aches and weakness, anorexia, and uncontrolled defecation, they indicate insufficiency of both the spleen and the kidney and loss of regulation of the Chong and Wen meridians. For dysmenorrhea, it means intermittent lower abdominal pain before, during, or following menstruation that is sometimes severe. Distension of the lower abdomen prior to menstruation that is relieved by menstruation suggests chi stagnation and blood stasis. Cold pain in the lower abdomen during menstruation, alleviated by warmth, suggests cold congealing the meridian. Abdominal pain following menstruation with lumbar aches suggests deficiency of qi and blood. In addition, dysmenorrhea may be seen in a poorly developed uterus, uterine tumor, endometriosis, pelvic inflammatory illness, and cerebral cortical dysfunction. For amenorrhea, is the absence of menses following puberty or cessation of menstruation for more than 3 months. When evaluating amenorrhea in a patient of childbearing age, first determine if the patient is pregnant. If the absence of pregnancy, amenorrhea may be seen in insufficiency of blood, insufficiency of both the liver and the kidney, suppression and gelling of liver qi or blood stasis. In amenorrhea due to blood insufficiency, there are also palpitation of the heart, dizziness, a pallid complexion, a pale tongue, and a thread-like and feeble pulse. In amenorrhea, due to insufficiency of the liver and the kidney, there are also lumbar and knee aches, and weakness and dizziness with tinnitus. In amenorrhea, due to suppression or gelling of liver qi, there are also mental depression and a taut pulse. In amenorrhea, due to blood stasis, there are also stabbing abdominal pain, a dark purple tongue, and that may have purpuric spots. Amenorrhea may be seen also in such conditions as subcortical brain dysfunction, abdominal development of the genital organs, tuberculosis of the genital organs, and endocrine gland dysfunction. Lastly, for vaginal bleeding, this may be in the form of gushing or chronic dribbling of blood. Strictly speaking, it is not directly related to menstruation. If the blood is deep red, large in amount, and is accompanied by a red tongue and a rapid pulse, it is due to heat in the blood. If the blood is purple, contains clots, and is accompanied by hematomas in the tongue, it is due to blood stasis. If the blood is pale, thin, and without clot, it is mostly due to injury of the Chong and Ren meridians or Qi deficiency. Vaginal bleeding may also have seen in uterine tumor, uterine cervical cancer, uh, ectopic pregnancy, or hydatid pregnancy. Thank you for your attention.